Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play 8-ball pool game with your friends. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and once the game is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now, if you log in with your Facebook account, by tapping on Login with Facebook, you might need to continue with logging into your Facebook account, and then you will be logged in automatically. Now, since we used our Facebook account to log into 8-ball pool, all of our friends who play the game will already be added onto our list. So we can simply tap on the Play with Friends button from the home page, and we will find all of our friends that play the game. We can simply tap on the challenge button and then select where we want this match to be. The challenge will be sent, and when our friends respond to this challenge, we will be able to play with them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play 8-ball pool game with our friends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.